What if this small machine could help you harvest grass for your cows? This battery-powered cutter is commonly used for harvesting tea leaves, but here it's being used to quickly cut fresh grass for cattle feed. The high-speed blade makes cutting much faster and easier than harvesting grass manually with a sickle. And because it's battery-powered, there's no fuel or power cable to deal with while working in the field. The machine comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, so one can be used while the other is being charged. It's available from Sri Anjaneya Industries in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Contact details are on screen and in the description if you want to know the current price and specifications.